Hi friends, in this video we will push our you can say create a image on our local against our app and push on a git Azure registry, container registry. Okay, let's open our terminal first and let's you can see this login with the docker login. Copy this, login. Okay, it's already login with this user. Right now we have this image with us, application image with us. We will create a new image again this so that we can push. For that you need to use this command login docker tag, and for tag you need to use this tag, and then you need to mention your login server, and then your name of image tag. You can use any name, just want to make sure. Now if you check, your image is created. Now we are already logged into our this container registry. So for that you need to use this command docker push, and you need to copy this and paste here. Now it's pushing our image to a container registry. So now it's pushed. Let's check on our repository. Go to repositories. You are able to see my application is there, and this is version 1 and it's available here. So thanks for your time guys. In the next video we will learn how to deploy this image on our virtual machine and run our application. Thank you very much.